especially in classics. 1995 Ford Mustang GT Convertible. Laser red in color, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, a little over 38,000 on this one. Of course, the GT powered by the 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. Go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. There's one little spot you can see right there's been touched up. We'll touch up paint on it. Let you take a peek at the rest of this front bumper. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, power top. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior, undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. Pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches as far as in the passenger side. Black leather interior. Automatic transmission paired up with that 5-liter. AM, FM, cassette, and CD, I believe in that one. We'll double check that when we get around there. Well, it's got a CD and AM and FM. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Tail lights with the horizontal bars. Would have switched the following year to vertical bars on the tail lights in '96. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and in the description. It's going to take you right there. End of the video here, we're going to start it up. Let's check out the engine bay. We'll run the top up so you can see what kind of condition that's in. It is a black vinyl top. Once again, it is power. Works fine and is in very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Seats are free of any rips, tears, holes. Show very little wear actually. Again, considering the year, look at the nice condition of these seats. You're just going to have the wrinkling like a natural hide's going to do with the leather. Bolster, not worn through, hardly wore at all. Of course, power windows, power locks, mirrors. Should have a tilt column in it, cruise control, buttons on the wheel. All right. There's your exact miles, 38,388. And yes, it does have cassette and CD, AM, FM. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right, parking brake is on. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. So just the parking brake light. You want that off. There you go. Lock's working. All right. See the top of the dash, good shape, not cracked, sunbaked, anything like that. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. Sounds like a stock Mustang GT from '95 with a 5-liter in it. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and then we'll put the top up and wrap this video up. All right, take a look at the hood liner. Pretty clean. Doesn't look like this car has been really driven in much inclement weather. Sweat tower brace. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Smooth running, 5-volt. Looks like you would expect, and you can see, again, there's the marker tag we put on the fender, same there from the factory. Those are original. Up here also, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. All right, and one last time, I'm going to pause. We'll get that top up. I'll shut the hood up and turn it off, but let's check out that top quick, and we'll be done.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the top and windows up. Again, black vinyl top. Appears to be the original top too. See how nice it fits above the windshield there. Free of rips, tears, holes. Thing is in excellent shape considering year and age of the car. I don't think this spent a lot of time up, let's put it that way. Rear glass window with rear defrost. Yeah, there's just no wear on this at all. Top in good shape, power top, works excellent. And as you can see, the windows fit nice and snug in there. So, good fitting top. 1995 Ford Mustang GT. Low mile example. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.